capture the distant thrill of nature or the electrifying energy of a concert, right from your pocket. This ultra-portable 400mm telephoto lens transforms your smartphone into a professional-grade camera built for serious zoom and clarity. Whether you're tracking a red-tailed hawk from 600 feet away or freezing a spotlight moment on stage, you'll get crisp, cinematic bokeh with no grain, even under low-light skies. Equipped with multi-layered glass elements and precision-aligned optics, this lens brings full-frame clarity to every shot. Unlike standard digital zoom, this glass compresses depth and sharpens focus across long distances, delivering true 400mm performance without distortion. Elevate your mobile workflow with a premium dual-screen setup designed for serious multitaskers. The JSaw FlipGo 2.5K dual-screen portable monitor transforms your laptop into a powerhouse of productivity, offering crystal-clear 12.5-inch high DPI IPS displays that magnetically attach and fold seamlessly around your laptop. Whether you're editing, designing, coding, or presenting, the stunning 2560 by 1440 resolution on each screen delivers razor-sharp detail and color fidelity from edge to edge. Engineered with DisplayLink technology, it only takes a single USB-C connection to power both screens. No need for extra cables or adapters. The built-in hub features 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port, giving you instant access to your devices without clutter. The durable aluminum alloy frame folds securely and travels effortlessly, making it an ideal companion for digital nomads or remote professionals. Built for the modern creative, this aluminum keyboard balances striking aesthetics with uncompromising performance. Its sleek, CNC-machined aluminum frame brings a refined industrial touch to any workspace. Beneath the surface, RGB backlighting glows smoothly through each key, fully customizable to suit your environment or mood, whether it's focused work or immersive gaming. Connectivity is seamless. Whether you're plugged in via USB-C, going wireless with low-latency 2.4 GHz, or using multi-device Bluetooth. Switching between platforms is effortless. Backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery, it powers through extended sessions without needing frequent recharges. Full VIA support lets you remap every key and dial in macros, making the experience uniquely yours. Step into a new era of mobile content creation with UView, where simplicity meets pro-level performance. Designed for modern storytellers who rely on their smartphones, UView upgrades your filming game without the need for bulky equipment or overpriced gear. From crisp audio to dynamic lighting and steady framing, every detail is optimized to help your phone deliver content that commands attention. Throughout this video, you'll get an inside look at how UView transforms your mobile setup into a compact powerhouse. We'll break down its most effective features, walk through real-world applications, and showcase side-by-side tests that prove UView isn't just hype, it's the real deal. Whether you're shooting documentaries, tutorials, or daily vlogs, this tool gives you everything you need in one seamless package. Step onto precision with Lefu, where science meets simplicity in every weigh-in. This isn't your average bathroom scale. It's an intelligent health monitor powered by 8 precision electrodes. Each step activates a full-body analysis, diving deeper than just pounds and ounces. It tracks 58 different body data metrics, including visceral fat, metabolic age, body water, protein rate, and muscle mass. This scale sees what the mirror can't. Whether you're training hard or just staying mindful, Lefu makes sense of your body's evolution. Sync with the Lefu app to manage your health data seamlessly. Track trends, spot changes, and stay accountable from your phone. Your fitness goals just got a partner that listens, literally. The Zero Mark II redefines versatility in everyday carry tools. With its sleek and compact design, this innovative pen packs an impressive array of features into a form no larger than a credit card. Crafted from 54 meticulously engineered parts, it transforms into a fully functional writing instrument, making it the perfect blend of portability and utility. This cutting-edge pen is more than just a tool. It's a testament to precision engineering. When collapsed, it effortlessly slides into your pocket or wallet, ready for easy access whenever needed. Its seamless transformation ensures a smooth and reliable writing experience. Whether you're jotting down quick notes or signing documents, the Zero Mark II delivers exceptional performance in any situation. The Lingo Genie L2 is an advanced translation tool designed to bridge communication gaps seamlessly. With support for over 200 languages, it allows users to translate text, voice, and images in real time, making it a powerful companion for global travelers, businesses, and language learners alike. The device integrates smoothly with the Lingo Genie app, offering users a more comprehensive, user-friendly experience. Equipped with AI-powered accuracy, the Lingo Genie L2 ensures precise translations, even for complex phrases, making it an ideal tool for both professional and casual use. Its real-time capabilities enhance communication, whether you're navigating a foreign city, conducting international meetings, or interacting with diverse cultures. The Wolfang 2.0 Titanium Keychain. Lantern and pen and screwdriver is a versatile tool designed to meet everyday needs with precision and style. This multifunctional device seamlessly combines a powerful lantern, a functional pen, and a magnetic bit driver in one sleek titanium body. Weighing just a few ounces, it's an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone who requires reliability in a compact form. With a high-performance LED lantern, the Wolfang 2.0 provides bright illumination in dark conditions, perfect for late-night tasks or emergency situations. Its built-in pen is engineered for smooth writing, and its magnetic bit driver ensures easy, efficient handling of screws and bolts. The integrated bit storage system adds convenience, allowing you to keep all the necessary tools in one compact package. When sleep matters as much as sound, precision matters. The sleep-optimized speaker delivers high-fidelity audio within a body just 0.43 inches thin, resting flat beneath your pillow without disrupting your comfort. Designed for bedtime use, its 11mm profile ensures it stays discreet while surrounding you in rich, immersive sound without pressing against your ear or causing discomfort. Built to elevate your nightly routine, this speaker uses a soft mesh enclosure that feels gentle to the touch and disappears into your pillow. With advanced Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, you get seamless pairing and a reliable signal, even through the layers of fabric between you and your nightstand. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this ring isn't just a fidget toy, it's a precision-engineered mechanical masterpiece for your fingertips. The world's most powerful titanium fidget toy mechanic ring redefines portable stress relief with a rugged edge and industrial appeal. Designed for those who admire stylish minimalism and functional performance, the ring spins, clicks, and transforms, all within a sleek metallic frame that fits comfortably on your hand. The satisfying tactile response comes from its precision bearings and modular design, allowing users to fidget with purpose while staying focused. Lightweight at just under 1 ounce and forged for durability, the titanium construction ensures it resists corrosion and scratches, maintaining its cool, modern finish over time. The XGIMI Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This ultra-compact device supports 1080p resolution with 4K input, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations. The projector's 600 ISO lumens provide bright and vivid images, even in well-lit rooms, while the HDR10 technology enhances color and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Equipped with Android TV 10.0, the XGIMI Elfin gives you easy access to popular streaming apps and services directly from the projector. The built-in Harman Kardon speakers provide rich sound quality, enhancing the overall cinematic experience without the need for external audio devices. Auto keystone and autofocus features make setup effortless, ensuring the image is always sharp and perfectly aligned no matter where you place the projector. The Guvis G3 Max revolutionizes your viewing experience with its massive 1,000-inch IMAX-style display, offering a level of immersion that's hard to match. Designed for those who demand the best, it features a dual 2.5K micro OLED screen, delivering crystal-clear visuals with no edge blurriness or screen door effect. With a field of view of 65 degrees and an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees sharp, vivid images from edge to edge. The G3 Max eliminates the need for glasses, supporting users with hyperopia and myopia through a diopter adjustment and customizable interpupillary distance, 58mm to 74mm. This ensures a seamless, comfortable viewing experience free from eye strain or double vision. Color reproduction is another highlight, with 95% coverage of the DCI P3 cinema-grade color gamut, resulting in lifelike colors and deeper contrasts. The Arlo Essential Indoor Camera 2nd Generation offers cutting-edge security with its dual camera setup and 2K video quality, providing an excellent solution for monitoring your home, children, pets, and valuables. The high-definition video clarity ensures you never miss a detail, and the easy setup means you can have your cameras up and running in no time. Arlo emphasizes privacy protection, giving you full control over your personal information. With encrypted data and secure storage options, your privacy remains safeguarded while offering peace of mind for your home's security. Real-time motion detection notifications and live streaming through the Arlo app keep you connected to what matters. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. Whether you're vlogging, conducting interviews, or capturing on-the-go sound, this microphone provides seamless performance across different devices, including iPhone, Android, and cameras. Its sleek design and easy-to-use functionality make it an ideal tool for professionals and content creators alike. The TP-Link X 1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. Wi-Fi 6 enhances connectivity by using orthogonal frequency division, multiple access to efficiently communicate with multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for busy environments with several connected devices. Designed for extensive coverage, the Archer AX1800 uses beamforming technology to direct signal strength toward devices that are further away, ensuring reliable Wi-Fi throughout your home or office. Designed to perform in unforgiving environments, the Dell Latitude 7230 rugged tablet is engineered for professionals who demand reliability without compromise. This 12-inch tablet is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240U vPro processor, delivering responsive multitasking and efficient power use. Running Windows 11 Pro, it offers enterprise-grade security and performance, while the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics support smooth visuals and clear imaging for fieldworker diagnostics. The 12.0-inch Full HD touch display is built for real-world use, featuring a 16:10 aspect ratio and ultra-bright 1200 nit output that remains visible under direct sunlight. Glove compatibility. ensures seamless operation in demanding conditions. The rugged design keeps weight manageable at just 2.80 pounds, making it portable yet tough enough for field engineers, first responders, or industrial technicians. Harnessing cutting-edge optics and intuitive AI, the Insta360 Link 2 transforms your workspace into a professional broadcast setup. Outfitted with a powerful 1/2-inch sensor, it captures nuanced detail in sharp 4K clarity, complete with HDR and stellar low-light handling. Whether you're lit by studio lamps or a desk lamp, the image stays vibrant and balanced. The real magic unfolds with phase detection autofocus, delivering rapid, tack-sharp precision with every movement, perfect for live demos or dynamic calls. Audio clarity meets innovation with advanced AI noise cancellation, filtering distractions like keyboard clicks or background chatter. Your voice takes center stage, crisp, clean, and uninterrupted. For added cinematic flair, the DSLR-style depth of field creates a natural bokeh backdrop, all controlled easily from the Link controller software. Versatility meets precision in this tactically engineered carry system built for those who demand efficiency without compromise. Constructed with adaptability in mind, the design features more than 30 strategically placed pockets to ensure every tool, gadget, or accessory finds its rightful place. The clamshell opening unfolds a full 180 degrees, giving you complete access in seconds. Ideal for on-the-go professionals, digital nomads, or gear-heavy creatives. Carry it your way with 3 distinct modes: backpack, shoulder sling, or brief-style handle. Switch between styles depending on the mission. Its modular design allows seamless integration with external pouches, straps, and add-ons, creating a tailored loadout for every situation. Whether you're on a film set, a nature trail, or jumping terminals at the airport, this pack adapts to your pace. Tactile precision meets compact utility in this reimagined everyday essential. Crafted for those who value sleek form and smart function, this minimalist wallet stows up to 5 cards without sacrificing durability or access. A fan-style deployment delivers a crisp, satisfying metal click each time you open it, making every transaction feel intentional. Hidden inside its clean silhouette is a pocket-sized multi-tool. A discreetly integrated knife provides reliable cutting power when you need it most, whether opening boxes or slicing cord. On the other end, a sturdy flathead screwdriver slips out with purpose, ready for quick fixes or tweaks on the fly. Measuring under 4 inches long and weighing just a few ounces, it slides easily into front pockets, tech bags, or glove compartments. Plug in and unlock a dynamic layer of productivity with a streamlined 1-cable secondary screen designed for precision and flexibility. Measuring just under 7 inches diagonally, this compact device enhances your workflow whether you're monitoring stocks, tracking news, or staying on top of real-time trends. It integrates seamlessly into any desk setup, using a single USB-C connection for both power and data transfer. Built for customization, the display supports custom widgets, perfect for toggling calendars, timers, weather, and CPU stats without cluttering your main screen. Its digital photo frame mode lets you switch gears from work to ambiance, displaying sharp, high-resolution images when idle.